This has been an incredible workshop.
OMG, just finished the LinkedIn deep dive.
I just spent 2 days in a deep dive with Richard Bliss learning all about LinkedIn. Spoiler, this is actually my third time seeing Richard Bliss.
And in just 2 sessions, I got clear, actionable feedback on how to position my brand, attract high-value clients.
It was a wonderful event because he showed you how to maximize the use of LinkedIn to increase your visibility as a presenter and speaker.
This workshop taught me not only why I need to use it, it gave me a path for getting results that I want to get.
I have not been in a Stage Time University workshop that went so quickly by in 2 days. I'm energized at the end of it. It was so fun.
After the session, after listening to Richard Bliss, being around Darren LaCroix to do this program, it's so well worth your while.
I cannot recommend this LinkedIn workshop enough. It is so good, and I know that all of Darren's Stage Time University workshops are excellent. This is one of the best.
Even if you're an expert at LinkedIn, you absolutely are going to learn so much more by coming to this workshop. I highly recommend it.
So if you're serious about using LinkedIn to grow your business and expand your impact, this is one of the smartest moves you can make.
Just get online and sign up. You will not regret it. I guarantee you that. Just do it. Thinking about it and doing it are two different things. And if you plan on taking action in your business, this is a very important action that you can take in your business.
Stage Time and Richard Bliss, this workshop was fantastic. It was an investment that was well worth it that I know will pay off.